Hello. Today you're looking at my 1970 Honda CT70H. H means it's a 4-speed manual bike, so you shift this one. It's an original emerald green bike. It's been completely restored with all new parts, new handlebars, new grips, all new internals, new cables, new wiring harness, new headlight, new Honda fenders, Bridgestone tires, tubes on fresh rims, completely rebuilt front end, all new sliders and bushings. Engine's been completely gone through, new carburetor, new airbox assembly, NOS graphics, beautiful repaint, all new buttons, controls. Seat's been reupholstered on the original pan. I'll show you that in a moment. It's a Cruiseman Honda NOS exhaust. New chain. New taillight assembly. Honda tools in the original pouch. Completely new fuel system. It's a new battery. All the correct Honda marked hardware. I can have my brother go ahead and fire it up for you right now and run it up and down the street. You can see what it runs like. As you can see, the bike fires right up. It doesn't blow any smoke. It shifts well into all gears. Points, timing, and valves have all been optimized. Thank you for looking at my 1970 Honda CT70H.